Dear secondary students, it's my pleasure to welcome you all to a new lesson of English which is entitled Revision 3 on Units 7, 8, and 9. Lesson 5, King Lear, Act 3 and 4. Complete the summaries of each scene with the words in the box. We have these words: bleeding, camp, cliff, falling apart, revenge, tigers. Act 4, Scene 1. Gloucester is space when he meets his son, pretending to be a mad beggar. Gloucester asks the beggar to take him to the top of a high space. Number 1, bleeding. Gloucester is bleeding. Number 2, high cliff. Act 4, Scene 2. Albany says that Goneril and her sister are like space. He finds out that Gloucester was attacked, and Albany promised to take space because Gloucester was hurt. Number 3 will be tigers. Number 4, Albany promised to take revenge. Act 4, Scene 3. There is a conversation between Kent and the gentleman at the French space near Dover. They talk about how the king has space. Number 5 will be the French camp. They talk about how the king has fallen apart. Question number 2. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1. The ground in this area is space, not curved. Light, hard, flat, heavy. The answer will be flat. Number 2. It's never alright to be nasty to people online, and we want space for it. Stand, hold, hand, run. The answer will be stand for it. Number 3. I was so scared while I was looking over the edge of the cliff that my blood ran space, hot, cold, wild, throw. My blood ran cold. Number 4. We used to be friends, but since he tried to make me look stupid, we have become space, enemies, traitors, interrupters, camps. The answer will be enemies. Number 5. She was so space for power that she did everything she could to become queen. Early, angry, thirsty, hungry. The answer will be hungry. Number 6. He gained control in some parts of the country, but he wanted to space over all of it. Interrupt, kingdom, rule, power. The answer will be rule. Number 7. It isn't polite to start talking when someone else is speaking. You shouldn't space people. Get rid of, betray, deceive, interrupt. The answer will be interrupt. Number 8. All of our soldiers are going to sleep at the space in Calais tonight. Camp, Dover, steep, army. The answer will be camp. Number 9. This hill is so space. I'm not sure if I can climb to the top of it. Cliff, evil, steep, flat. The answer will be steep. Number 10. Don't leave any space items like jewelry or mobile phones in this room. Please take them with you. Valuable, enemy, guilty, stupid. The answer will be valuable. Number 11. My father has a lot of pain in his eyes and can't see. Can anyone space him? Rule, run, edge, cure. The answer will be cure. Number 12. Everyone is calling her a space because she shared some secret information with our enemies. Servant, traitor, beggar, messenger. The answer will be traitor. Number 13. She lost her respect and space after turning up drunk to the meeting. Authority, disability, honesty, probability. The answer will be authority. Number 14. He was offered much money to space his leader, but he refused. He was an honest man. Guide, betray, support, assist. The answer will be betray. Number 15. You should space those clever students for their good results. Punish, fire, reward, refuse. The answer will be reward. Question number 3. Match the characters with the things they do in Act 3 and 4. We have here some characters: Cornwall, Regan, Edgar, Gloucester, Goneril, Albany, and King Lear. A. Ask someone to take him to the top of a cliff. We want to know whose character that made this. The answer, Gloucester. B. Make someone kneel in front of him and asks questions. This character is Cornwall. C. Throw someone out of their palace. Who did that? Regan. D. Tells someone to take up their sword against the French. It was Goneril. E. Says he is unhappy because his daughters have lied to him. It was King Lear. F. Who admits that he pretended to be someone else. He was Edgar. G. Promises to get revenge on a person who attacked someone. He was Albany. Now we have come to the end of this lesson. Thank you and see you later in the next lesson.